Model 2018 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 HDI 435 L4H2 Heavy Professional Spares OR Repairs. Body grey, panel van. Mileage 122561. MOT the 10th of June 2024. Engine 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Coolant is pressurizing, head gasket needs replacing, still starts and drives perfectly. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys, parking sensors, sat-nav, reversing camera. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear.